With growth in gardening, farming, and composting, soil thermometers have become essential tools for hobbyists and professionals alike. They help monitor soil temperature, moisture, and sometimes pH, ensuring optimal conditions for plant growth and list none. The Yamron 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter is a multifunctional gardening companion that goes beyond just temperature readings. It measures soil temperature, moisture levels, pH, and sunlight intensity, giving you a complete picture of your plant's environment. The digital display is clear and easy to read, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Its probe is sturdy and designed to penetrate soil without causing root damage. The device doesn't require batteries, making it eco-friendly and ready to use at any time. With its multi-sensor capability, you can diagnose plant health issues quickly and make adjustments to watering, soil composition, or light exposure. Perfect for indoor potted plants, greenhouses, and outdoor gardens. List number 2. This compost thermometer is a must-have for anyone managing compost piles or monitoring soil warmth. Its 5-inch stainless steel stem is built to resist rust and corrosion, making it durable for outdoor use. The large, easy-to-read dial is color-coded to show optimal composting ranges, helping you ensure the breakdown process is proceeding efficiently. Its accuracy makes it equally useful for soil temperature checks, especially during seasonal planting preparations. This thermometer can withstand exposure to high humidity and varying weather conditions, ensuring consistent performance. The stainless steel construction not only provides longevity, but also makes cleaning simple. Gardeners who want to achieve rich, healthy compost will appreciate the precise readings and practical design. Whether you're an organic gardener or just starting with composting. List 3. While primarily designed for moisture monitoring, the XLUX Soil Moisture Meter also serves as a valuable tool for maintaining healthy plant roots. Its single probe design minimizes root disturbance while delivering quick, reliable moisture readings. The analog display is easy to interpret with a simple dry to wet scale. Though it doesn't measure temperature directly, knowing soil moisture levels is crucial for plant health and growth. The XLUX is battery-free, which means it's always ready for use without worrying about replacements. It works for both indoor and outdoor plants, from delicate houseplants to deep-rooted shrubs. Its durable construction ensures it lasts through multiple seasons, making it a cost-effective choice for gardeners. List number 4. The Urban Worm Soil Thermometer is built for precision and durability, perfect for gardeners, composters, and worm farmers. The 5-inch stainless steel stem penetrates deep into soil or compost to give accurate temperature readings, ensuring your composting process is within the ideal range. The analog dial is simple to read, with clear markings that help you monitor conditions at a glance. This thermometer is especially popular for vermiculture, where temperature control is key to worm health and productivity. Its robust construction means it can withstand outdoor elements without compromising accuracy. Unlike some digital models, list number 5, the Sensenda Soil Moisture Meter offers a simple and effective way to keep plants properly hydrated. Its analog scale quickly indicates whether soil is too dry, adequately moist, or overly wet, helping prevent root rot and water stress. This compact, lightweight device is perfect for houseplants, container gardens, and small outdoor beds. While it doesn't measure temperature, it pairs well with a dedicated soil thermometer for complete environmental monitoring. Its single probe design is gentle on roots and requires no batteries, making it eco-friendly and maintenance-free. The Sensenda is particularly useful for plant owners who struggle with watering schedules or have a variety of plants with different needs. Affordable and easy to use,